So I didn't realize it when I was making that earlier video. I showed the storm damage. That my video wasn't running. But anyway, looks like a possible supercell blew through here. There are cars right to the left of the end of that tree laying across the street there where the white truck is. And there was a neighbor girl in the car when the tree fell. Thank God everybody's okay up there. It's just a tree in the road. Everybody's got their electricity. We just have a lot to clean up here. A lot of branches down. I didn't even look at my damage. Well, I've got stuff to clean up too. At my new picnic table. And looks like we might have a broken chair. And a tiki. And the creek came way up. Still floating in it. We'll be having to pick this up. So, we'll have to get the gloves out. Could be worse. Hope everybody's safe. Oh, there go the mallards. They're upset too. The creek looks like chocolate milk. So, stay safe everybody. Have a good night. Bye.